Hi, folks.
Hello.
You know what time it is? You know what time it is?
What time is it, Tony?
It's Jeff Lynne time.
Really?
Yeah? Why do you say that? Like, I love Jeff. Everybody loves Jeff Lynne.
Not everybody.
You are going to get angry emails now.
Okay.
Throngs of people will be blocking you. Throngs.
Okay.
Throngs.
Okay. But I am a huge Traveling Wilburys fan.
Yeah, but that's probably just because of Roy Orbison.
No! It's him and it's also George Harrison.
And Jeff Lynne. Jeff Lynne.
Hold on tight to your dreams. Hold on tight to your dreams. When you see your ship go sailing, when you feel your heart is breaking, hold on tight to your dreams. It's a long time to be gone. Time just rolls on and on. When you need a shoulder to cry on, when you get so sick of trying, hold on tight to your dreams.
Crochet-toi, avec ton reel. Crochet-toi, avec ton reel. Quand tu vas sans bâton partir, quand tu sais ton fil sont brisés, crochet-toi, avec ton reel. Well, when you get so down that you can't get up, and you want so much, but you're all out of luck, and you're so downhearted, misunderstood, just over and over and over you could.
Hold on tight to your dream. Hold on tight to your dream. When you see the shadows falling, when you hear